If you ask any political leader in the state of Maine, what's the biggest problem the state of Maine is facing right now, they tell you it's our housing crisis. And the second one is our energy crisis. Being able to be in the middle of trying to solve real problems that society has, not only in Maine, but regionally and nationally, is extremely rewarding to see. Our largest natural resource in Maine is wood. We develop technologies to allow us to protect that environment, but also create jobs around that environment.
The timber industry landscape is always kind of in transition. So in the last 15, 20 years, technology has really changed and driven the economics of the forest products industry. The internet, for instance, we have transitioned from print media. Within a matter of 5 to 6 years, 6 mills closed down. And it made a big impact on the whole forest products industry in Maine.
So Maine was declared as a disaster area from an economic perspective by the federal government. The federal government put together a number of experts to come to the state of Maine and to figure out how we can turn this around. And one of those experts came from Oak Ridge National Labs.
Our main mission is the development of science and technologies that have impact in energy and national security. I think there's this really nice thread between additive manufacturing, composites, machining, smart manufacturing, and then connecting those with bio-based materials that they can go into a whole range of different applications.
One of the technologies working with Oak Ridge National Lab is, can we 3D print housing using wood-based materials and wood waste?
We were just looking at getting into 3D printing. Oak Ridge National Laboratory at AMDF had developed the very first large format printer. So I think we initially collaborated on both the application space of printing, but also the idea of utilizing bio-based materials, in our case, sawdust.
We started with a tech collaboration with Ingersoll to look at a pellet-fed system. Maine was the first to go over and order that type of gantry system.
The opportunity here is bringing the advanced manufacturing into the housing industry. Instead of building the houses in 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, what about building them in 2 days, maybe 1 day, maybe in hours?
One of the specific problems we're trying to solve right now are the energy problems that the state has, as well as its housing problem.
The nation really needs affordable electricity. There's a clear understanding that nuclear has to be part of that mix for us to be successful moving into the future. Historically, nuclear construction has presented a lot of challenges in terms of hitting cost and schedule. So Kairos has taken a very critical look at how we can actually engineer the construction process and really deliver plants in a more affordable way. So we're working closely with Oak Ridge and a number of their partners, University of Maine prominently being one of them. One of the unique things about 3D printing is that we're able to look into concrete shapes that are quite unique. And Oak Ridge is really helping us not only inform how we can design some of those structures, but how we can look into some of the overall quality of how we do the work itself. The second component of it is the idea of using precast, which means you're casting and placing concrete off-site and then taking those elements to the site. So what Maine has really done is actually printed forms that we've been able to place concrete into. You're effectively building the reactor building and the key safety related parts associated with it. Through rapid installation of these elements, we're able to really accelerate the schedule. And the more we can accelerate the schedule, then the less cost associated with the project. It's a great example of how the national labs and their partners can move quick and really address the needs of industry.
In this program, we have a 3-level of, I would say, key part of it, where the researchers, scientists come together, engineers, technicians come together, create ideas and generate their research. The second part is industrial technical collaboration system embedded into the program. And the third part of it is training the next generation leaders.
We have a motto in our lab that you see everywhere. It says, none of us is as smart as all of us. So that helps remind us every day that to solve tough problems, you got to work together across disciplines, across organizations, institutions.
The impact that Oak Ridge has had in industry, while it's a national impact, was most strongly felt regionally. The legacy is that we've been able to build an infrastructure that allows us to rapidly solve new problems as they arise.
Of course, we're not done. Not only are we discovering new science and new engineering, but we're also applying them to solve real problems.